Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I'm with the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to upcycle a brown buffet into a navy and gold stunning masterpiece. Prep work is very important when it comes to chalk paint. When you're refinishing furniture, it's important to remove all the drawers, assess your piece, and fix all the veneer issues before you start to paint. After you've assessed your piece, remove your hardware and check for veneer issues. Using Dixie Belle mud, you can fill any veneer small holes or scrapes along the sides, top, or front of your piece. Products needed for this project: espresso gel stain, Gator hide, clear wax, black wax, in the navy, and gilding wax. Secure the joints with Gorilla Glue if necessary. Sand down your piece to give it a good tooth to grab onto when you're painting your piece. Clean gently with white lightning. I used Bunker Hill Blue and in the navy 50-50 mix for this piece. Using a damp brush, cover the entire wood surface with 2 coats of chalk paint. The top of this buffet was finished in espresso gel stain by Dixie Belle. It's an easy way to cover your wood surface without having to sand down to the bare wood. Wearing gloves, use a soft t-shirt-like material. You then take the stain and pull it on in the direction of the wood grain, left to right, all the way across to create a smooth surface. I like to use 2 coats, waiting in between for the first coat to dry fully. This buffet had all the original hardware. I took the pieces off, laid them down flat, and sprayed them with the copper and Krylon to create a new look. Covered the top stained surface with Gator hide finish. It's a polyacrylic finish that's water resistant. Using a wax brush, I applied clear wax to the base of the project. I then used gold gilding wax to highlight the corners. Overall, the look with the new handles, the new color, and the stained top is amazing. Want to try your own Dixie Belle products? I'm including a link in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos.